alpha methoxypropionaldehyde. So CH3CH, this is propionaldehyde, and this carbon is called alpha carbon. So you have to write here bond and OCH3. Methoxy group means OCH3. So here we write OCH3 group. OCH3, finished. Alpha methoxypropionaldehyde. Now write second. 3-hydroxybutanol. How can we write 3-hydroxybutanol? So first of all, you have to write butanol. Butanol means how many carbon? 4 carbon. CH3, 3-hydroxy, CH, CH2, CHO. Counting from right side. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Third position, there is hydroxy group. Hydroxy means which group? Hydroxy means which group?
OH.
Good. So here we write OH group. OH. This is 3-hydroxybutanol. Now next, third, 3-hydroxycyclopentane carbaldehyde. Sorry, 2-hydroxycyclopentane carbaldehyde. Now this is cyclic or simple? This is cyclic or simple?
Cyclic.
Cyclic. Cyclopentane. So first of all, you have to draw cyclopentane carbaldehyde. So how can we write cyclopentane? So this is the cyclopentane. You have to draw temple-like structure. So this is the cyclopentane. And major functional group is aldehyde. So here we write aldehyde group CHO. CHO. Okay. 2-hydroxy. So this is the first carbon. This is first carbon. And this is second carbon. Second carbon, there is OH group. So here we write OH group. OH. The third compound, 2-hydroxycyclopentane carbaldehyde, finished. Now fourth, 4-oxopentanal. 4-oxopentanal. Oxo means which group? And al means which group?
C11O1SCHO.
Correct.
COH.
Correct. Correct. So fourth, here 4-oxo. Oxo matlab ketone and al matlab aldehyde. And pentanal, total number of carbon 5. So we write CH3 bond, CO bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CHO. CH3CO counting from right side. So if you count from right side, so there is 1, here 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so fourth position ketone group and aldehyde group. So it is called 4-oxopentanal. Fourth finished. Most important is fifth one, disacbutyl ketone. So right now all the 4 and try disacbutyl ketone. Disacbutyl ketone. So first of all, you have to draw disacbutyl. Disacbutyl. Sacbutyl how many times? Secondary butyl 2 times. Secondary butyl 2 times. Which functional group is called sacbutyl? Which functional is called sacbutyl? Sacbutyl. CH3 bond CH2 bond CH and then CH3. This is sec-butyl. Okay, this sec-butyl you have to draw 2 times. Sec-butyl you have to draw 2 times. So again we write bond, then ketone functional group, then again bond, then CH, bond, CH2, bond, CH3, and bond, and then CH3. Finished. So this is called disec-butyl. So here this portion is secondary butyl. This portion is also secondary butyl. So secondary butyl how many times? 2 times. And in the middle there is ketone. So this is finished disec-butyl ketone. Next, sixth one, 4-fluoroacetophenone. So what is the formula of acetophenone first of all? What is the formula of acetophenone? Quick. What is the formula of acetophenone?
બેન્ઝીન ઉપર COCH3 અને OH.
Wrong. What is formula of acetophenone? What is formula of acetophenone only? Benzene ring and COCH3 only. Jai Nagera. Benzene ring
Yes, sir.
and COCH3 only. So first here we write benzene and then COCH3. COCH3. So this is acetophenone. This compound is called acetophenone. And fourth position there is fluoro group. Fourth position there is fluoro group. So fourth position fluoro. So this is the fourth position. You have to draw F. You have to draw F. 4-fluoroacetophenone. Finished. So this is the structure formula.